Hi, I just got this. It is the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, and today we're going to take a look and see what's inside the box. Hi, my name is William Beem, and today I just want to do a little unboxing of this. I just got this the other day, and this is my first gimbal. I haven't had a chance really to practice with one yet, and I thought, before I open it up and start tearing around town recording videos for different sights and sounds and places, I wanted to just see what's inside and record a video to show that. So this is what we're getting, and it is hopefully a good little piece of technology. Everybody seems to be excited, but you know what? As soon as something comes out and it's brand new, everybody just wants to tell you how wonderful it is. We'll find out about that later on. Right now, I'm trying to figure out how to open up the box because there's little bits of tape everywhere. And one of the things I'm learning is if you're going to do an unboxing video, bring a knife. All right, so once we get this opened up, we'll come inside, and don't need that. And we've got a nice little case here, DJI impressed upon that, and a nice little place to open it up. Let's see. Ooh, that's nice. I know I'm saying nice a lot. Oh, here's what we get. Typical silicone. We've got a little cable here with a mini USB and a regular USB. And this is the main event. This is basically what we're after. We're coming up with just something that's wide enough that will fit something like my iPhone 8 Plus. And this one will work either portrait mode or landscape mode. Most of my stuff I tend to do in landscape mode. But the nice part about it supporting portrait mode is if you're doing like Facebook Live or some of these other online live events, they typically record only in portrait mode. And that way you can walk around and just kind of have your phone looking at you this way or out at whatever you're doing and have a nice stable view. So for example, if I were going off to Disney World and wanted to show you a fireworks show, I could probably put this on a tripod. There's a little screw mount right there. And I think we have a little bit more inside of here, or do we not? One of the things that was advertised that was going to come with this was a little base that goes down here, so you can just kind of set it like that. And I am not seeing the base. There is an instruction book, and that is it. So I don't know if I've got the base or not. A little disappointed by that, but you know what? That's what came in the box. Maybe the base is an optional item. One of the things I'm looking at this is the fact that there is no way to get inside and open this up. It is sealed. So that means the battery that's in here, which is supposed to last for a 15-hour charge, is the battery that you have. I don't know if DJI is going to allow you to send this back at some point in case the battery goes dead or if you need to replace it. But right now, it seems to be a one size fits and it stays inside. One of the other nice features of this is there's a little port right here on this side, and you can plug in and actually charge up your iPhone or other mobile device. And that way, while you're recording on this, it acts as basically as a portable charger. So with 15-hour battery in here, and you're probably not going to be recording, at least I'm not going to be recording 15 hours for a day. That gives you time to juice up your iPhone or Android phone, whatever you may have, and keep things going along. So that is what I got in the box. I've got the gimbal. I have the instructions, cable, piece of silicone, and a nice little carrying spot. And actually, it's not so much even a carrying spot. It just protects it while it was shipping and gives me a place to put it to keep the dust away. My name is William Beem. Hope you enjoyed this, and I will have more information for you later on after I've had a chance to take this out and use it.